What's up guys, so we are quite anticipated for the upcoming Lenovo phone, the Lenovo Z5s, the device that packs pretty powerful specs, at a very affordable price tag. So, let's check out the phone itself, and have a first look to its appearance. The Lenovo Z5s comes with a 6.3-inch massive screen, having a full HD plus resolution of 2340 x 1080 pixels. The phone has a circular notch at the top, housing a 16-megapixel front camera. The selfie shooter also works as face recognition feature. The phone has a slim bottom chin, and it offers a screen-to-body ratio of 92.6%. The Lenovo Z5s features a 6000 series aluminum frame, together with a glass back. It has a triple camera setup, combination of a 16-megapixel plus 8-megapixel plus 5-megapixel sensors, equipped with 2x optical zoom, PDAF and 4K video shooting. There's a 3300 mAh battery inside. As a result, it is quite thin and sleek. On the bottom is a Type-C port, speaker grills, and a headphone jack. The Snapdragon 710 chipset powers this phone, along with 4GB or 6GB of RAM. The phone is loaded with 64 or 128GB of expandable storage. In addition, it has the latest Android 9.0 Pie version that is flavored with ZUI 10 OS. The pricing details are as follows, check more details in description. So here's the main thing, the Lenovo Z5 Pro, Snapdragon 855 edition. The phone has a 6.39-inch AMOLED display, carrying full HD plus resolution. The phone has a slider design, seen on the standard Z5 Pro. It has a black carbon fiber texture at the back, with a red colored frame. The camera unit is a combination of 24-megapixel plus 16-megapixel lenses. Really, the frame is looking astonishing, with that red finish. This device is first powered by Snapdragon 855 chipset, with whopping 12GB of RAM. The phone has the same software and Android version like the Z5s, and a 3350 mAh battery. It starts at a very reasonable price tag of $390, so a great applause to Lenovo. These are the benchmark scores of the phone, showed by the company during the launch. So, let me know your opinions about this phone, in comments below. Make sure to subscribe our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.